Just a casual Sunday with some errands. Got me.
Hi.
And Onyx. We got back yesterday after about 8 hours of driving for a couple soccer games. So we're gonna go clean up the truck, go to the gym, fill the truck up because we're getting kind of low on fuel there. We got a ton of bugs on here. I don't know if it's gonna show up. Yeah, you can see here. So we're gonna start by going to one of the places where we can just spray it ourselves, try and get the bulk of them off, probably go to the gym, and then up to the car wash and fill up the truck after that. Come along with us. Cold out here. Do I love him using that dirty brush on my truck? Not really. Did he want to use it though? Yeah. And is he enjoying using it? Yeah. Is the truck gonna be fine? Yeah. Might scratch a little bit. It's just a truck. He's loving it. He's never used it. Feels like he's helping out, so I figure it's well worth it. Getting it good? Cold one out there today. It's only like 56 degrees out right now, and then the water blowing gets really cold. Do you think we did a good job? Get all the bugs off there, bud?
Yeah, we definitely did a good job, especially the windshield.
Oh yeah, here, let's take a look at that real quick. Can see nice and clearly out of that now. Change of plans, I think. We're gonna go fill the truck up. We run low on fuel. So we're gonna go fill up and then go to the car wash. Sound good?
Let's do it. Yeah, sounds
good. All filled up. We got 616 miles till empty. Head over to the actual car wash now. We'll vacuum out and then run through that and then head to the gym.
It's good. Let's do it.
We just got in the truck after cleaning it and he goes, "Oh, it feels so much more refreshing in here." And then I say, "Wait, you gotta re-say that." And he goes, "We just got done vacuuming it out, wiping down all the seats. Onyx sprayed off the outside so we don't have any water, dry marks, whatever you wanna call those. Now we're headed to the gym. See ya." We're just getting to the gym. Looks like there's a decent amount of people here, so we might not film too much in there. I'm planning on working out shoulders. What are you gonna do, Onyx?
I don't know. I might shoot hoops or I might work out with you.
Sounds good. Either way, we're both gonna get a workout in. I got a good shoulder workout in. Quick workout, we're only in there for about 30 minutes. What'd you do, Onyx?
I did some pull-ups and I shot some hoops.
And some wall sits, right?
Yeah, and wall sits.
I was shooting hoops. Did you make any?
Yeah, I made like 4 deep shots.
Wow. 3 in a row, you said?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I think that's all we got. Just a quick mid-morning, running some errands and headed home now. Catch you on the next one.